Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Flipcard like this in HTML and CSS. Let's start. Okay, here I already created a HTML project, and here I have a HTML file and CSS, and I'm going to use this 1.jpg and 2.jpg. Okay, and I close this. Yeah, I save these files, and here I link this CSS here. Okay, and I'm going to create a div. This is main div. One more div I'm going to create. This is this is div, right? Okay, I'm going to give a class name. Sorry, class name is car. Okay, after that I'm going to create one more div. This is for card inside. Okay, this is container. Here I'm going to create one more div for front side, card front side. Okay, front, and this is back side. Okay, and I'm going to display an image in the front side. Okay, src. I'm going to display a 1.jpeg, and this is I'm going to give a height as 300px, with this also 300px. Okay, and also I'm going to display a h1 tag for a white card or something. I give a blue card. This is a h1 tag. This is backside. Okay, and I paste the content, save this, and go to browser. Yeah, I got a card like this, and now I'm going to create a style for this. First I create a body, and here I want all content in center, so display flex, because I'm going to display two cards, right? And also I'm going to create a justify content is center, and here I paste the card. I'm going to create a card, height is 300px, width is also 300px. Okay, and also create a perspective. This is 100,000px. Okay, yeah, I save this, go to browser, I get a content like this, and also I'm going to create a container. I'm going to copy this container, copy this style. Okay, paste here, and also container height is 100%, width is also 100%, and here I'm going to use a transition as transform. Okay, transform is 0.8 seconds. Okay, and here transform style. Okay, transform style is preserve preserve 3D. Okay, that is the container style. And to browser here, still it's in the same. I'm going to create a hover. Okay, hover for a card. Okay, dot card hover, and also applying this when card is hover, I'm going to rotate the container. Okay, I'm going to copy this container and paste here, and after that I'm going to create a transform. Okay, transform rotate y direction. Okay, y direction 180 degree. Okay, save this, go here. Yeah, card is rotating like this, and I want this content, the blue card should be at the back side of this image. Okay, so I'm going to create a card styles. Okay, front and back. Okay, I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and also back. Okay, ASDK. Yeah, here same, height is 100%, width is also 100%, and also here I'm going to give a position absolute. Okay, save this, go to browser. Here I get a card like this, and I'm going to add a back face. Okay, back face visibility is hidden. I mean, backside is disabled. I mean, hidden. Okay, here backside is hidden. Okay, I'm going to create a back style. Here I'm going to display a transform, uh, rotate y direction 180 degree. Then I save this, go here. Yeah, I get a card like this, and yeah, I need to, yeah, this is fine, but I'm going to give a background color to this card. And here after this background color should be like blue. Okay, and I change this blue color into, yeah, this color. I like this color. Okay, save this. Yeah, this is fine. And also I'm going to give a color, text color. Okay, sorry, color is white. Save this. Yeah, this is good, but this content is not in the aligned properly, so text align, center. Save this. Yeah, this is fine, but I want a space at the top, so directly apply a h1 tag padding 30 px. Yeah, this is good. And also this card is overlapping the top, so give a padding 30 px. Yeah, this is good. Okay, still now it's not perfect. I just give a 50 px. Yeah, this is good, I think. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. And also I'm going to I mean border radius. Okay, I forgot to give a border radius. Here I give a border radius is 40 px. Yeah, I save this. Yeah, this is fine, but I want to give a style to this also, this image. Okay, style means border radius. Okay, here, or otherwise I directly give a img. Okay, border radius is same 40 or 50. Yeah, 40 px. Yeah, this is good. Okay, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, it's perfect. And I'm going to duplicate this for one more time, this card. Okay, red card, and this is 2. Save this, but it's not in the same row, right? So I'm going to create a class for this. This is main. Okay, I save this, go here, after the body main display flex. Yeah, this is good. Also I want space at the center. Okay, so go here, padding or margin is 30 px. I save this. Yeah, this is good. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, this is what I try to tell in this video. I will see you next video. Bye bye.